you're treating ChatGPT like an expert, you're making a mistake that could actually make your work worse. Don't treat AI like a guru, treat it like a junior intern. Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to Figuring Out AI with Steve. A mistake I made with AI assistants like Claude and ChatGPT is treating them like experts and making real-world decisions based on their responses. These are tools, not people, and using them carelessly has real consequences. Here's what's helped me work with AI responsibly. I treat it like it's a brand new intern at my workplace. And the company in this case is my life. And the boss is me. Picture a junior intern. Someone just out of university, loaded with knowledge but no experience applying it, young and creative, bringing a fresh perspective, someone appearing confident, maybe overly so. They do want to do a good job, but they may not know what doing a good job actually looks like. And they need guidance on where to focus their efforts. Sound familiar? Let's connect this to AI. The AI has been trained on data by its engineers, and so it has a large repository of knowledge that it pulls from when it makes its responses. It's good at synthesizing a large amount of information, and so using AI to perform tasks like this is playing to its strengths. The AI may provide surprising or unexpected responses, like a eureka moment. This sometimes also can happen in the workplace when someone new comes in with a fresh outside perspective, and this can happen when working with AI as well. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's cool when it does. You don't know what you don't know, and sometimes interns can confidently provide an answer that's actually wrong. AI can also do the same thing. It's actually common enough that there is even a term that was created for it, called a hallucination. Remember that in the workplace, the boss is liable for any actions the company takes, including actions taken by the intern. To keep with the analogy, you as an AI user, you are ultimately the one responsible for any actions you take as a result of information you receive from the AI assistant. So with that in mind, it's really important that you fact check the AI, verify the information you get from it, ask questions to get more context, and go to the source yourself if possible, especially if it's a really important task. What I found the most surprising about AI assistants is that they are trained and tuned to be helpful and agreeable to you, sometimes to a fault. This can be dangerous. You might not want to get a second opinion if the response is making you feel good, or making you feel like you're really smart or that you're a good person. It can cloud your judgment. And this response might even have been a hallucination. So get in the habit of pushing back on the AI's responses, especially if you feel like your ego is being stroked. That is the danger zone. But wait, are we still talking about AI or? When prompting the AI assistant, be direct, be explicit, give clear instructions. Just as you would to an intern. Be clear about what you want the AI to do and what you expect for an output. You can even provide examples of what good work looks like for the AI to reference. Looks like we covered about all we have room for on the screen, so I think we'll leave it there. But if you remember only one thing, remember this. AI is not a guru, it's an intern, and you are the boss. Have you ever caught AI being confidently wrong? Tell me about it in the comments. If this was useful, give it a like. It genuinely helps. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe. And until next time, let's keep figuring out AI together.